Sensei. Whoa, look up.
Oh, here, Bellagio.
Oh, look, the pool! Look, they put the fountain in the pool.
This is the life. Whoa, here's Vidara, guys. That's Vidara.
Oh, is that next to us? Oh, let's jump off right here. This is so cool. Like, it's a good picture spot just to jump off right there.
This is nice. Got the Rio.
I'm scared now. We're jumping Sand Heights.
And palms.
I'm afraid of heights.
It's okay.
I'm afraid of heights.
Get ready, Justin.
Now, why are you here?
Go straight. Next, right here, left. Guys, left. Next tram.
Hurry.
Whoa, I like the mural here. It's nice.
Excuse me. Which side please, please?
This way?
Just got is it on flash? Is it on auto? No, the other way. Please. Come on, myself.
Justin, you're just gonna blend in. Okay, 1, 2. Wait.
No, the other way.
Guys, monorail's coming. Monorail's coming.
It's here already.
I'm blurry.
Give me.
How long's the train? How long is the trip? Or how long's the trip?
Go all the way at the end, dude.
shit.
That's what's end.
Wait, no, wait. Oh yeah, wait, no, we have to share. Let's go that one. Let's go that one. This one right here. Right here.
We're here?
Oh shit.
Ooh, look. Oh. Hi guys. So we're here in the tram.
No one come in here, please. It's our own tram.
The pole dance.
Ken.
Oh.
That was really gross.
Okay, let's go build it. I'll be like, what am I saying? What if I jump over?
Please stand clear.
Oh.
The doors are now closing.
What if I jump and the steel was
Hold on to the
Filming.
handrail. Next stop, Crystal.
Here, Justin, film.
What's crystals?
It's a mall.
The mall.
You're covering the lens, Justin.
I know.
Oh, I said I could do this.
Justin, you're covering the lens.
That hurt.
Guys, come on.
Ew, that was on video.
Hey, okay, we're gonna go to the crystals and we're in the tram.
Look at the camera.
Oh.
You didn't even look at the camera.
It's okay.
Give me. Guys, can you behave?
Stop.
Oh my gosh.
Silk Road, Vidara.
Whoa, look over here. Wow.
What if that was like right here and they open? Ken, do you think this happened?
Oh my gosh, we're on the monorail.
Oh, there are cameras.
Yeah, there is right there. Come on, guys. Sit down, guys. Hey, look, there's Planet Hollywood.
Is that where Ken wants to go? Over here.
Oh my gosh.
Say that you miss.
We're here, guys. We're here.
I don't think we're moving and girls right here and this thing over.
Hold on to the handrail. Next
I don't want to hold on to the
Crystal.
handrail.
I know her.
Just stopping me.
Welcome to Crystals. Stand clear of the doors.
Cheers. Let's go.
Wrong way.
There's the mall, guys. It's a brand new mall. Yeah, it's a brand new mall.
This one.
It's new, Ken. They just opened it.
Let's go look through that.
Wow, they have stuff.
Alright, here we go.
Let's go.
You're not part of Louis Vuitton.
Why did Marcus do this?
That is ice, people. That is ice. See? That is ice. So let me touch the ice. It's real ice.
Let's go and touch.
Oh.